Hi guys, welcome back to Cozy Home. I'm so glad that you decided to check out my channel today. I had some homemade laundry soap, fabric softener, and a stain remover that I hope you guys do try. If you guys are liking this type of content, please leave a comment below. I have tons of recipes that are all natural, safe for you guys and your children and your pets. It does use some essential oils, and some essential oils are very sensitive to your skin and even to your pets, so please make sure you use them appropriately. So I just wanted to give you the reason why I am going back to this type of cleaning products is because I'm tired of buying laundry soap and all this stuff, and it's just constantly needing to buy it. Before I could go a whole a month and a half without buying it because we don't have that much laundry in the first place, but this was a lot cheaper for me, so I'm gonna go back to this. And if you guys haven't seen in my summer video, I did a cleaning video. I'll leave it link up above so that you guys are able to check that out. I had cleaned out my cleaning closet, and I had realized that I became a hoarder of cleaning products, and I was buying all these cleaning products because I just started YouTubing and I was getting into growth, and I thought I needed all those things. Guys, we don't need all those things. I'm at the point where I'm just wanting to buy what I need, and I know I could make a lot more cleaning products with my household items, so I am going to start sharing you guys my homemade cleaning products. I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Okay, we are going to make a fabric softener, and I like to call this orange scent lavender. So what you're going to need is 8 cups of water. I like to use warm to hot water. We're going to have 1 cup of baking soda, and then we're going to have 6 cups of vinegar, and we're going to have 25 drops of essential oils, and you could pretty much use whatever you want. I'm using wild orange and tangerine from Datura. I like using Datura oils. I also am an advocate for Datura. I like how their oils are pure, and I'm not going to get into that. So first I'm going to do is I'm going to add my hot water to this base. It has a little sprout so that I'm able to get my fabric softener out. So I have 8 cups of water. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my, a cup of baking soda. Be careful, guys, when you are mixing baking soda and vinegar together. It explodes. I will show you guys a clip at the end when I tried making another video of this that I totally 100% failed because my brain was not working this morning. So please stay to the end so that you can see my mistake and my reaction of what I just did. So I'm going to add my cup of baking soda to here. I'm going to try to dissolve it as much as possible. So now I'm going to get 6 cups of vinegar. Make sure that you pour this in very slowly. And you guys don't worry about the vinegar smell. It will go away. Your clothes will not be smelling vinegary at all. And the vinegar actually helps with releasing the detergent out of your fabrics too, I believe. So. Okay. I'm going to add about 12 drops of wild orange. I had 15. 15, 16, 17. 27 drops total, and then I added the tangerine. Oh, it smells so good, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this all together. So I'm going to put this to the side. We're going to be using this a little bit later. Now we are making our laundry soap. I like to use this. You've probably seen this upstairs in the past. I still have some extra in here, so I'm just going to go ahead and leave that in there. Brody, no! No, I'm videoing. You need to be quiet. Go lay down. Go. Go lay down. So, what I like to start off with is I got some OxyClean. I just grabbed the giant version of OxyClean. So what you're going to do is you're going to want half a box of this. Okay? No, go lay down. I don't know what you want. You're going to want a whole box of baking soda. I also like to use the Dollar Tree OxyClean. You could use that, and this is from the Dollar Tree. So that's something you guys could use too. So I'm just going to throw that in here. Okay. Put this to the side. I can taste it in my mouth. So I'm going to use borax, and I'm going to have about 8 cups of borax. Let me see if I can open this. There we go. Let me get my measuring cup. This to the side. Got my measuring cup right here, so I'm going to do 8 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So I'm going to add some essential oils to this also. I'm going to be adding some tea tree oil, and I'm also going to be doing the wild orange and tangerine because I wanted to kind of help each other blend, and I wanted to have that smell. Tea tree oil is very good to get rid of antifungal. It's a antibacterial, so it helps kill all those bad germs that we have. So I'm going to be adding about, let's see, I'm going to do 20 drops of this one. Really, that's a lot. I'm just going to put this in there. That's more than 20 drops, guys. And then I'm gonna do 20 drops of this. 1, 2, 3. Drops of the wild orange too. I get my spoon and I'm gonna mix this. Using orange can also help with removing stains and whitening your laundry, and it just smells great. Okay. So now that this is all mixed, this is ready to go. This is about a 1/4 scoop. I just use this for my thing. I just put it in there, put it like a regular wash. You just do that, and then with this one, I think I use 1/3 cup of my fabric softener. I'm going to wash up my hands and then I'm going to come back and we're going to talk about spot remover. Okay, sometimes accidents happen. I know I'm a clumsy person and Ryder gets stains on his clothes and I'm probably one of the worst ones to get stains on my clothes. One of the things I like to use is 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar. I like to get 2 drops of essential oils. I could use peppermint, eucalyptus, or a lemon. And all I'm going to do is add a little bit of water into a little cup, make a paste, and then I throw that onto my stain. I let it sit there and dry completely. After that, if I have excess cream of tartar on my stain, I kind of just brush it off and then I throw it into my wash machine and I go ahead and use my homemade laundry soap and my fabric softener. And then let me know if you guys try this and if you like it. Don't forget to tell me in the comments below. For my dryer sheets, I don't use dryer sheets, so I have some wool balls, and I'm going to add some wild orange to these. Right here I was explaining to you guys that essential oils can break down plastic and the toxins from the breaking down could get into your cleaning products. So that's what I was explaining. Already I have in my glass jar is the 8 cups of water, and then I put 6 cups of vinegar already in here. Here you guys, go ahead and laugh. I did. I hope you guys enjoyed this. That's pretty much good. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. What was I thinking? Oh my goodness, guys. I don't know what I was thinking. Fuck. I just made a mess. I don't know what my brain was thinking. Why didn't I think about baking soda and vinegar? Oh my goodness. I tell you, my brain is not working lately. Thank you guys so much for joining with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video where I tell you guys how to make natural cleaning products for your laundry powder and some fabric softener and a stain remover. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please leave a comment below letting me know that you're here watching or you guys would like to try this. It is cost efficient and I believe you guys will enjoy this. And this smells amazing. Our clothes do smell good, so don't worry about that vinegar smell. I know some people don't like the smell of vinegar, but it won't smell like vinegar, guys. And if you guys haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That will help YouTube know that you guys are liking my content, and it helps me know that you guys are liking my content also. And hit that notification bell so that you guys are notified when I upload a video. I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.